Vermiculite, it's 1/3 of the Mel's Mix formula, but why even use it in gardening? And just what is that crazy stuff anyway? Stick around and I'll tell you. Come on, let's go. Hey, how you doing? On behalf of the Square Foot Gardening Foundation, I'm Rick Bickling, the How Do Gardener. Vermiculite is a naturally occurring mineral that expands when heated into a lightweight, fluffy material, kind of like little pieces of mineral popcorn. Expanded vermiculite is highly absorbent, pH neutral, chemically inert, odorless, and it will never rot or deteriorate. Vermiculite itself is safe to use. Any health and safety concerns you may have heard about are associated with a single vermiculite deposit where asbestos minerals developed alongside the vermiculite. When the vermiculite was mined, some asbestos contaminated the vermiculite. This mine, located in Libby, Montana, was closed in 1990. Today, horticultural grade vermiculite is certified asbestos-free. Of course, when working with any dusty product, wearing a mask is recommended. Think of garden soil as a jar of marbles. The marbles are the soil particles, and the space in between the marbles is called the pore space. But if nutrients in the soil just sit in the pore space unattached, they will likely get washed away when it rains. So instead of marbles, let's think of the soil particles as little tiny magnets. Soil particles are negatively charged, and many essential plant nutrients are positively charged. So just like with a magnet, these nutrients are attracted and attached to soil particles. The more negatively charged a soil particle is, and the more surface area it has, the greater its capacity to hold and exchange nutrients with plants. This is referred to as its CEC, or cation exchange capacity. Vermiculite has a high CEC of 150, which means that it's very adept at holding on to nutrients to feed plants, cuttings, and seeds for faster and optimum growth. With a CEC of only 1.5, you can see why perlite is a poor substitute for vermiculite. Coarse, agricultural grade vermiculite, which is what we recommend, is sometimes hard to find, so if possible, don't scrimp. You can grow things to some extent in almost any kind of soil, but vermiculite is a very large part of why Mel's Mix is the perfect gardening soil. Visit our website at squarefootgardening.org.